Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have something very special and super exciting just for you. We're going to be diving into the best altcoins for the month of October. These are the projects that I'm really keeping my eye on right now, and I think they have the potential to perform massively in the month of October and potentially outperform the rest of the crypto market. So I must let you know that there's a lot of buzz around these altcoins right now, and the social sentiment is very strong, with many of the communities for these altcoins thinking that they're gearing up for a serious rally. But is it just hype, or are we about to see these altcoins take off? I'll break down each one and I'll share why I believe that these are the altcoins to be watching in the month of October. So whether you're already holding or just looking for the next big opportunity, stick around because you don't want to miss what I'm going to cover in this video. Let's go. So look, a lot of people will be expecting Cardano to be the first one that I mention on this list, but it really isn't, and I'm going to get into why I'm talking about Oasis with the ticker ROSE. I think that this is a really interesting project, and look, it's not one that I've discussed that much, but I am very bullish on it. Now, I will tell you why. I believe that we do require a compliant privacy layer in the world of crypto, right? We got to have this in order to bring in mainstream adoption. This is a smart privacy for Web3 and AI project that I think has huge potential. I'm hearing some rumors, whether they're true or not, I don't know, but I would expect some really big things from this project. I think that you won't be disappointed with this project. I think it's going to go on, and it's going to go on to do very, very well in the month of October and, more longer term. I think that these are the sorts of projects that people should be keeping an eye on. If we go back to like 2020, Nick, myself, we were talking about AI being a really, really big narrative, and we've seen that take off. We were also talking about real world asset tokenization and talking about how big that was going to be, similar to how we were talking about AI. We were expecting these big narratives to take off. Now, over the last year and a half, possibly even 2 years, I've been talking about privacy, and I've been talking about compliant privacy. This project kind of fits the privacy and the AI narrative that I think are both going to be really big narratives. So even, if it doesn't perform as I anticipate in the month of October, I do anticipate it to perform significantly well more longer term. So, these are really bullish picks, not just for the month of October, but also long term. I don't think there's any project in this list that I don't foresee doing really well long term. So yeah, let me know your thoughts and opinions on Oasis ROSE in the comments below. Look, we've got up 4.75% at the time of recording at 0.07899. I do think that we might see lower prices at some point, but for me, there's more risk to the upside than there is to the downside, in the respect that if you see this rally, we might not actually get in at the same levels and the same prices. It's just my opinion. You can let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below, and I will couple what I just said with these are my opinions. They're not financial advice. Treat this purely as entertainment purposes only. Go away, do your own research. Make sure the projects resonate with you before making any investment decisions, and never invest more than you're willing to lose. Hey everyone, just wanted to briefly interrupt this video to let you know that we've got a fantastic offer on through our affiliate link with Blofin for traders. If you're trading, you could earn an Apple Watch SE, or get this, you could even earn a Model 3 Tesla just from trading. So if you're a trader, why not sign up to Blofin now and take part in this campaign? Really important that I covered that off for you. The next one is 𝗖𝗢, and this is one that I was talking about a few months ago. I did actually make an investment and shared, I share all my buys and sells with our community in the free Discord. We have a membership section where I share all this information. So look, this is a project that I think is going to go on to do really well. I think it's really capturing the imagination of communities right now. We've seen significant moves to the upside, but I don't think we're anywhere near where this one is going. And this is one that I think from a user perspective is going to do really well because it's really intuitive, easy to use, both for developers and for the front end. So, a lot of thought has gone into this project, and I think because of that, it's going to go on to do really well. But let me know your thoughts, your opinions in the comments below. It's up 3.12% in the past 24 hours at $1.74. So next up is Aptos. This is a really cool project. Again, I think they're future-proof the project as well, which I really like. I think that seeing 𝗖𝗢 go on a little bit of a run does make me feel very, very confident that we are going to see something very similar, if not a stronger move to the upside from Aptos. I've been to many different conventions, crypto conventions, crypto events around the world over the last few months. Obviously, we're traveling. We went to Singapore, we went to Kuala Lumpur and various other places, Paris, and they have presence everywhere. And I think that that is going to be really telling. And look, for me, I think we're very much at the start. But again, forward thinking and a project that I think is going to do really, really well in the month of October. It's currently at 7.89 dollars, down 1.50% in the past 24 hours. But I am expecting this one to do a UE and start really performing over the coming months. But let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. Moving on, and we've got World Mobile Token. They are going multi-chain actually today as the video's going out. I believe that the migration is happening. So look, definitely a project that I think is going to get a lot more eyeballs all over it. I think it's a project that people should be aware of. We are actually the official Airnode distributors now as well. So, if you want to find out more about participating in the Airnode aspect of things, and the infrastructure side of World Mobile, do join us in the free Discord. We'd love to talk to you more about it there. But again, very, very interesting project, and a very important project, connecting the unconnected, making new economies in places around the world where people don't even have internet, they don't have online banking or banking full stop, identification, and so on. So this is a really, really powerful project in my opinion. It's up 8.88% in the past 24 hours at 29 cent 39. I expect this one to continue to run to the upside. And then moving on, we've got Polygon-matic, and Polygon-matic's had a real bad time of it when it comes to the price aspect of things. But I think a lot of this is down to them changing their ticker, their token, and the whole migrating to the new token. I think that they've got some fantastic technology under the hood. I think this is one that's going to, really surprise a lot of people as it moves back and discovers more of its price that it's lost over the recent months. It's currently down 2.77% at the time of recording at 41 cents 6. If we actually go back for the whole year, just wait for that to load up. I mean, it's been as high as $1.27, and I think we're going to go back above those prices in the coming months. I do expect a really positive month in the month of October for Polygon-matic. But let me know your thoughts, your opinions. What altcoins would you have had in this selection if you were selecting the altcoins? Really interested to get your views and opinions. What ones am I sleeping on? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.